Friday na naman.
If there's only one thing in my life, ano ba yun? Ba't ganun? Basahin
Ano
ko
yun?
lang, Ma'am Shi.
Magtula ka na lang, host.
Okay, sige, I'm sorry, sige, I'm sorry, I'm here now. Okay, I will
I'm sorry.
say,
I'm sorry, si Kel.
ang bangs. Okay, ang bangs. Oh, yes. I'm serious. If there's one thing in my life that's missing, it's the time
Anong
that I
missing?
spend alone, sailing on the cool and bright clear water. Oh, yes. There's a lot of those friendly people. They're showing me ways to go. And I never want to lose their inspiration. Ooh. Time for a cool change. I know that it's time for a cool change. And now that my life is so prearranged, I know that it's time for a cool change. Alright, ay grabe na ito, parang artista. Well, I was born in the sign of water. May artista guys. And it's there that I feel my best. The albatross in the whales, they are my brothers. It's a kind of a special feeling when you're out on the sea alone loading. Chicken, I'm sorry, chicken loading. Agoy, pastilan. Sorry guys loading. I don't know why. It's live, that's live talaga. Staring at the full moonlight, the lover na ewan, ba't ganito ang net natin? Okay. Parang siya yung kumanta ng sa mata makikita. Shikel, I'm sorry, Shikel, I'm loading. Time for a cool change. Pastilan, ba't loading ako? Na anong sistema tinunto ito? Ano na naman? Ang dami mo chocolate, idol.
Mayroon pa dito. Mayroon pa dito, Fundador.
Ano mo ba ang Fundador?
Hmm.
Shikel, I'm sorry, Shikel. I'm hanging. I'm hanging, Shikel. I'm sorry, Shikel. I'm hanging. I've never been romantic, and sometimes I don't care. I know
Gaya!
I'm selfish, but let me breathe the air. Yeah. Nangiinggit, idol? Ay, Diyos ko, ang bangs. Diyos ko, binuo niya pa ng pag-ano, no? Idol, lagyan mo naman ng konti sa gitna. Ano ka sa tema ba? Okay. If there's one thing in my life that I spend alone, sailing on the cool and bright clear water, kind of a special feeling out on the sea alone, staring at the full moon like a lover. Time for change. I know that it's time for a cool change. And now that my life is so rearranged, I know that it's time for a cool change. Oh yes, maraming salamat guys.